Want to know how I made my first $1,000 from an online course? I didn't have a huge following, I didn't have a fancy camera, and I definitely didn't have it all figured out. But I followed a simple process, and in just a few weeks, I launched my course and made my first $1,000 online. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, so you can do it too. Step 1, I picked a topic based on what people were already asking me about. I didn't overthink it. I just asked myself, what do people come to me for advice on? For me, it was business systems and operations. But for you, it could be social media, fitness, parenting hacks, or even something like meal prepping or budgeting. If people are asking you for help with something, that's a sign they'd pay to learn it in a structured way. Step 2, I validated my idea before creating anything. This is where most people go wrong. They spend months building a course only to realize no one wants it. I did it differently. I posted on social media and sent a few emails asking, if I created a course on this, would you be interested? I even pre-sold it before I finished making it. That way, I knew people were willing to pay before I put in all the work. Step 3, I kept my course simple. Instead of trying to create hours of content, I focused on delivering quick results. I broke my course into short, bite-sized lessons, each 5 to 10 minutes long. And guess what? I didn't need fancy video equipment. I recorded on my phone and used simple slides with voiceovers. If you don't want to be on camera, you can even use tools like Pictory to turn scripts into videos automatically. Step 4, I launched before I felt ready. I put together a simple landing page on Kajabi and priced my course at $97. Then I promoted it on social media and Facebook groups and to my email list. I didn't use ads. I didn't do anything complicated. I just talked about the course, shared what people would learn, and made it easy for them to sign up. And in my first few weeks, I made my first $1,000. Was it perfect? No, but it worked. Step 5, I kept improving my course based on feedback. The first version of my course wasn't my last. After my first students went through it, I made small updates, added more resources, and refined my lessons. And every time I launched it, my sales grew. Now, I've helped tons of people create and sell their own courses, and I want to help you do the same. If you want my free course topic and naming guide, grab it using the link below. And if you're serious about launching, start your 30-day free trial of Kajabi. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now it's your turn. What's stopping you from launching your course? Drop a comment and let me know.